Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Marina Ray, and this is the first video of my new video series focused on news on sustainability, global architecture, and design. On June 17, 2024, the European Union member states overcame opposition to pass a significant nature restoration law. This legislation sets legally binding targets and obligations for not just preserving but actively restoring natural habitats. The European Union countries approved this landmark law, which mandates the revitalization of at least 20% of the bloc's land and sea by the year 2030, despite considerable opposition. 20 of 27 European Council members voted in favor, achieving the required two-thirds majority. Notably, Belgium abstained, while Finland, Hungary, Italy, the Netherlands, Poland, and Sweden opposed the law during a meeting in Luxembourg. Unexpectedly, Austria's Environment Minister, Leonore Gewessler, on the Greens party, voted in favor, contributing to the passage of what is expected to be one of the EU's most impactful environmental policies. Belgium, holding the EU's rotating presidency, confirmed the legality of the vote despite the dispute. Elaine Maron, climate minister of the Brussels capital region, emphasized the urgency of addressing Europe's biodiversity collapse and meeting international commitments. The law includes legally binding targets for restoring various ecosystems, from terrestrial to marine, aiming to mitigate climate change and natural disasters. According to the European Council, the regulation mandates member states to restore 90% of habitats in poor condition by 2050, with over 80% of European habitats currently deemed poor. Additional measures include preventing habitat deteriorations, protecting insect pollinators, and specific ecosystem initiatives like planting 3 billion trees by 2030. Member states must submit national restoration plans to the Commission with a review scheduled for 2033. Environmental groups like the World Wildlife Fund, or WWF, celebrated the law as a significant victory for Europe's nature and citizens. Key commitments include planting over 3 billion trees to restore degraded land, reviving over 1 million hectares of drained wetlands, restoring 250,000 hectares of degraded peatlands, sequestering around 10 million tons of CO2 annually, restoring 25,000 kilometers of rivers to free-flowing conditions by 2030, increasing marine protected areas to cover 30% of Europe's seas, converting 10 million hectares of farmland to organic practices by 2030, and creating 15,000 hectares of urban green space by 2030. So if you like the video, please like it, please subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment so I can create more sustainable videos. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your time. I will see you in my next videos.